he protected. So that's why he was honored by Catholic Church after the war. And since then, almost every year we have a group of theologians coming from Vatican. They have a kind of tour to visit different sites in Japan, especially Christian-related one. So also this is the kind of main things for them as well. And this bell sounds like this. So this one is currently designated as national culturally important property, but a recent study showed that this one probably made in Japan, so that case might be upgraded to national treasure. So, but it doesn't mean anything. More securities.